This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by stopping automatic delivery at the system and app layers. First, go to Settings, About Phone, then System Updates and switch off Download Updates automatically and any auto-install options. This prevents Wi-Fi downloads. Once done, open Google Play Store settings and set Auto-Update apps to Don't Auto-Update so app updates don't trigger system checks. These changes immediately reduce background downloads and buy you control over when an OTA file appears. Next, you'll neutralize the updater process so it doesn't resume itself. Go to Settings, Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Show System Apps, Right Arrow Updater, or Oneplus Update, then force Stop, Clear Cache, and Clear Data. This resets any pending tasks. Make sure background data is restricted and battery optimization is enabled for that app so Android won't revive it. If you need stronger control, install a local firewall and block the updater app's network access. This prevents downloads even if the process restarts. For a final, reliable stop, use ADB to disable the updater package. Connect via USB, enable USB debugging, then run a DB shell PM disable user 0com. Oneplus. OTA package name may vary. This prevents the system updater from running without uninstalling system components. When you want updates again, run a DB shell PM enable with the same package name. If something goes wrong, reboot into safe mode to isolate apps. Safe mode helps confirm whether an app or a system process is triggering update behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.